had a subscriber of mine want to know how to use the grade control on my 772 GP. I believe they're pretty much all the same, but on my new one, you just take and click over the information arrow, and then it'll bring up this screen here, and it'll show your current slope. That's at 3.5%. And then it shows your gain. You can go up and down with that with your two arrow keys here. So your up and down arrow keys, you just push them down to make it go down, you push it up to go up. I run mine around 50-51%. Then you come over to your keypad here, and then you click that first button there and turn that on auto. Now it'll show your desired slope. That's at 4%. So as you come down to your controls, your increment and decrement buttons, so you can go up or down with these. So you press the forward one, and that'll take the desired slope down. And then your autos are right here, so that'll activate the left side of the blade, and you watch the moldboard go down. When you take it off of auto, I'll hit that button and it'll take and activate it. And then now it's on 4% slope. If you take and pick it up, your bars, the yellow, will actually take and go up to the point where that's where it's high. And then you watch it go back down, and then green is 4%. Now, so I got my blade to my left right now, so say I shut my auto off and I change directions. I press both the increment and decrement buttons on the your blade side shift button there. It's the same on both sides. So you got increment and decrement. You press that, and then it'll take and it'll change your blade around. So this here shows that the blade is to the left on the monitor, and then you can actually hit them buttons and it'll turn around. And then you have your auto over here on the right hand side, so you can actually change your autos. So say I was blading the render off on the left hand side of the road going against traffic, I would want my heel to be on the auto, and then I would run my toe on the left side of the blade. That's kind of the basic overview of the grade control. Anybody's got any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll do my best to get them answered. Would like everybody to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.